Hi everybody, this is J Dave. I've been looking on the internet for videos on how to reassemble AR-15 20 round magazines, and I cannot find any videos. I had a friend give me a bunch of these 20 round magazines disassembled, and I was looking for information on how to reassemble them, but to no avail. So can't find anything on YouTube. Shout out to that dude Siraj. I enjoy watching your videos, and you don't seem to have anything on your website about reassembling those. I can't find it anywhere. So maybe this will be a little bit of help to everybody else. I figured this part out, and let me show you. There's a little hook that goes on the follower here. It took a little bit of doing, but I was able to get the hook back in. There's a little hole. Probably can't see the little hole right there. I'm trying to find the best one of these followers to reattach it to. One with no rust. I think I found one. I'm going to use my Leathermans. And then I just grab the little end of it here and insert it through this little hole. The first one really took some doing. The second one went a little better. Third one a little better. This one, fourth one, went even easier, but this one looks like it'll be a little bit of trouble. Sorry about that. I'll edit that out if I can. Had a little bit of a mishap with my camera, but I'm trying to get this little wire spring through this little tiny hole in the follower. There. I believe that's what it's supposed to look like. Okay. So I got 5 of these now. And I've only got 4 magazines, so I'm going to have an extra here. I've got some extra followers. Put those over there. So now, and I have not even attempted this part yet, so you'll have to bear with me. It looks like the end plate, and some of these are stamped different than others. This one is M16, M16A, caliber 5.56. This is the same. This is the same. This is Adventure Line. Adventure Line. So got 6 of those, 4 magazines, and 5 springs, 2 followers. I'm going to have some extra parts here. These magazines look like they are really no identifying marks on these. I can see. So I believe I'll probably just have to insert the follower. Let me get a good one to start with. Okay, that's how it's going to fit in the rifle. That should be the direction it's facing. So I'm going to insert it into here, like so. Not. Please, if there's somebody who has a better way of doing this, let me know. Okay, I've got the spring in there. I got the follower in there. So I guess now I need to, looks like, probably go like that. So let's try it. Done. Not bad. Just have to get some ammo and see if it'll fit. In fact, let me grab my rifle. We'll see if it'll fit in there okay. Oh. This is a Delton AR. Had it for about 2 years. Red dot scope, Magpul, 30 round magazines, Magpul backup iron sight, foregrip, Troy Industries guard, and a Tacstar handle. Tacstar foregrip as well. I should have done a video on how to put this on. That was a challenge. So anyhow, let's empty. Let's see. Here we are. Huh. It fits. Doesn't look as good as the Magpul. Fits. It's a good rifle, by the way. If I haven't told you, Delton Industries. Great rifle. I've got a video on my channel where my 14-year-old punches some impressive holes at 100 yards, tight groups. What did I do with my magazine I just built? There it is under my desk. I'm in my little, this is my room for my gun stuff. Keep all my guns in here, ammo. Anyhow. Alright, well, I'm going to put together 3 more. And I'll, well, try one more with you while you're here. See if I can do this one more time. Let's see here. This. There's a little bit of a clip right here that will go on the end plate. So I'm just inserting the follower inside, pushing it in. There's got to be a better way of doing this. Okay, so the point, it's sitting like this. The point's going to be facing out the larger side. So I'm going to insert it. See how this works. Insert it on the end here. Gotta be a better way, folks. Alright, I'm going to be editing all this out because this is embarrassing. I don't understand. First one, okay, I'm probably going to have to watch my video that I just made so I can see how I did it. Well, that's not good. Alright, so taking this, it's got to be a better way. Okay, I'm going to edit it all out, but this is what I have found. The little tabs here go into this end first. You just walk them in like that, sideways, and you drop it in. And the rest ought to follow suit. Like that. Okay. So now I'm going to get an end plate, one of the better ones. Some of these are a little dinged up. So again, I'm going to come in from like this side. Come in from the top down, slide in under the little channel here, little tabs. I'll run that over, and then there's two little tabs here. I'm going to push this little plate under. Obviously, easier said than done. Oh, okay, I'm not pushing down the tab. That's the problem. Push down with my Leatherman to get this past the little tab. Oh. There, got it. That's two. I'm not going to bore you with any more. I think I got it figured out. I'm going to try to do the rest of them. Run this little tab. Under this little tab here at an angle, and then straighten it out. Like so. And drop the rest of it in. Push the spring in like that. I want to get an end plate. Got 4 marked 556, M16, M16A. You can see it's bent just a little bit. And like this one that's scuffed up, it's flat. I'm going to try to straighten out this M16. My trusty Leatherman. Okay. So again, I'm pressing my spring down. I'm going to slide the plate through the tabs over here. Like that. There's a little catch right here, a little tab. That's got to go in this little slot here. I'm going to slide it while I'm pushing down. This seems to actually be the toughest part. There we go. Little tab catches. Alright, there we go. That one's kind of stiff. Don't like the way it springs back. I'll need some grease on that. pieces and parts left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Didn't cost me a dime. Now what do I do with them? J. Dave. See ya.